Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video we want to prepare mustard seasoning and crab vegetable. Okay, so this is my snail. This is mustard snail. You see, that is how it look like. Okay, so this is my ingredients. This is my crab. I've already boiled it. Okay, so this is my amaranth vegetables and bitter leaf. This is our roasted fish. If you watch on my previous video how we roasted this fish, it's on my YouTube channel. This is spear fish. Okay, the roasted one. So this is mackerel fish, cow skin, scotch bonnet with onion. This is my salt and seasoning cubes, locust beans. Beautiful people, this is red oil. Okay, so I'm going to prepare this snail. This is mustard snail. Okay, so I'm going to boil it. I've already washed it, so with lemon. So I want to boil it. Salt. Sesame cakes. So beautiful people, our snail is ready. I want to take it down. The smoke, you see, we put negro pepper inside the fire so that it will chase the flies. So I want to start our vegetable. This is locust beans. I want to take some of this. take the snail out. This is our mustard snail. This is bitter leaf. Salt. Sesame cubes. So, little people, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please help me to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, beautiful people, our vegetable is ready. So I'm going to take it down. Water is there. Wow, this is delicious. So, this is our sea mustard, okay? With crab. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please help me to share with your friend and family. So, beautiful people, thank you very much. This is our vegetable. Help me to share with your friend and family. This is sea mustard, snail, and crab vegetables, okay? Thank you very much. Please, and see you where we'll be eating our delicious vegetables. We want to prepare delicious swallow with this vegetable, okay? Watch it, okay? Mwah! Bye bye.